Is money leaving Bitcoin? I don't think so. It's not disappearing at all. It's actually doing what's known as a rotation into other altcoins, and we're going to have you covered here. Make sure you stick around because we're going to be highlighting an altcoin that's on our radar, and actually we called for a big move. So right now we don't want to be fading any signals. We're about to give you everything you need to know. Stick around to the end because like I said, we're going to be revealing a special surprise altcoin that's already flying off our radar. You're not going to want to miss it. Welcome back, Crypto Crew. It's your boy Tom here. If you're ready to dive into today's action, make sure you give us a like. Make sure you hit subscribe. Make sure you come on over to X and follow us on X, where we talk about Bitcoin and crypto all day, every day. All right, let's get into it. All right, we're going to start off with Bitcoin because obviously that's our channel. You know, we talk about Bitcoin, but really, we're really diversified. And just stick around. We're going to show you something that's really cool. All right, so what's happening here in Bitcoin? Well, we're getting a good amount of a retrace, which is kind of healthy for the coin. We talked about this yesterday. We said we had initial support right around like 108. Marketplace couldn't get up through this top of 110. So we have like really right now short-term triple top that we're a little bit concerned with. It. Not that this top is not going to blow off near term. It could potentially blow off within let's say the end of the week or so, but we just got to be prepared for what's next. We said that we had originally we had a support point right on 107. I said that we could come back down to. Marketplace has come down to it. Actually broke it a little bit. We have the next level of support at 106,243. The most concerning part of the chart, of course, is, I would go down to this demand point right here, 104. I would think that if we go, actually, where is it? It's actually say 105. Okay, if the coin breaks this, we're going to get a deeper consolidation. Not that the coin is actually coming off; it's just consolidating. I have to stress this point, and I think it's an important point. When we say that marketplaces, they go to and fro, they have natural reactions and they have natural rallies. Right now, we're in a natural reaction phase. A market cannot always just go up. Okay, that's like living life only breathing in and never breathing out. Markets have to exhale in order to take a deep inhale. And we're in a bit of a consolidation phase. But why is it happening? That's the question. So we're going to show you why it's happening. And I'm going to just quickly go over to the Ethereum Bitcoin rotation. All right. But before I get into that rotation, I want to just make a point so we could show a little bit longer of a term where we got on Bitcoin, we got a golden cross. Okay. This is a technical pattern that really shows that there is a bull market. It's just going to take some time to work through. Of course, consolidations, as I said, are normal, and retracements are normal. That's how we make our money. And I'm going to show you in the next couple of slides. I'm going to get over to where Justin has placed a standing order on Ethereum, because we're pretty psyched for Ethereum. We're kind of stoked for it right now. Not that we don't love Bitcoin, we do, but we also diversify our trades just as you should. Okay, so the golden cross is a bull market support. The last time this happened, Bitcoin pumped 63%. 63%. 63% in the following week. So congratulations, Bitcoin holders. You've officially entered the wealth acceleration zone. Now, as I said just before, we're going to look at this. This is what one of the main reasons that this is happening. We got money rotation. This is all that's happening right now. Okay, Bitcoin itself, money is rotating out of Bitcoin. They're using Bitcoin profits to get into other altcoins, and of course, including Ethereum. So these are the most important parts of this chart right here. As you can see, the cross. Once this marketplace broke down through here, it was money rotation into Ethereum. Then it cycled back, money rotation into Bitcoin. Now we're getting money rotation into Ethereum again and other altcoins. So money is slightly, being taken out, putting pressure on Bitcoin. and it's rotating into Ethereum and other altcoins. This is the same breakout structure we saw in 2020 before Ethereum lit the fuse on altcoin season. So just pay attention to it. Pay attention to Ethereum. Pay attention to other altcoins, because this is kind of rotation that turns portfolios into rocket ships. So I want to show you one of our X posts where we actually highlight the rotation. So you got to follow us on X. We talk about this stuff. We said it, before it's actually we highlighted this before really anybody. So what we said, capital is rotating into Ethereum. Bitcoin just did 30.5% in Q2. Ethereum, we're looking at potentially 51, 52%. So welcome to phase two. Ethereum capital rotation confirmed. The Ethereum narrative is heating up. Altcoin season is opening soon. So just get ready to diversify your portfolio. So now we're not done. We're going to talk about what Justin did on Ethereum itself. Ethereum scoop trade, I call it, okay? Because what we're looking for right now is we're looking for a pullback in Ethereum to get long at a good level. So let me come on over to good old WEEX here, the broker of our choice. Make sure that you think about if you want to trade, you want to join up with this broker through us. It'd be awesome. Right now, we got a good to cancel order to buy Ethereum. Go long Ethereum at 2,636.96. Okay, we got to take profit at 3,731. Okay, so stop loss is 2,275. So that's a pretty good risk to reward ratio. So we have the trade running. This was called in our crypto trading community, where you could join up right here. Make sure that you do. I'm going to highlight that at the end, but you can definitely go there and get involved, because we're always posting new, really good stuff there. Also, I want to show you this. We are trading with the best of them. Okay. We're trading with the best of them. Actually, we're trying to even do better, okay? We're trying to get into a better position than good old the Finkster, Larry Fink. So BlackRock just bought 163.6 million worth of Ethereum. Institutions are rotating. Retail is not even awake yet, but we're trying to make you awake, all right? Let's go on to altcoin season itself, all right? So we want to talk about this. Altcoin season, all right, straight from our feed, all right. Let's get this going here. Let me get a refresh on the chart. The chart burped on me, sorry. All right, so let's zoom out for a second, all right. The last time this happened, we're talking about the 2020 season right here, altcoins exploded 50 to 100x, okay. We got the same exact setup. We got the same breakout structure occurring right now. The most important part of this chart was really breaking above the flat right here, which we did. It is starting, okay? The only difference is that there's trillions of more dollars at play. So the holy grail candle is coming. It's not there yet. You still got a chance. It's there. It is coming. So now, for the coin that I've been talking about, for the spotlight of the day, for everything that you've been holding on for, it's right here. It's called AXL. This is straight from our feed. We talked about this. The coin has pumped over 89% since we dropped it. That's what we do. We don't chase pumps. We front run them. Follow us on X all the time. Keep our tab open. We come up with some of these gems, and you got to be ready for it. So we drop this all the time. So before we wrap up, crew, I got to tell you, make sure that you are aware of our trading community. What you do is just click the link right here. You'll be taken over to our trading community, where we got insane alpha and trading opportunities dropping daily. Breakout setups, long-term gems, we got you covered. We trade live. That's where you could actually follow us trading live. You could place same trade that Justin plays with the same stops, same risk reward ratios. And right now he's doing quite well on WEEX competition. So we got you covered here. Now you want to follow us, with our solid broker WEEX. We suggest that you click this link right here. You'll be taken over to good old WEEX right there, and This broker is perfect for us. Fast fees, low fees, fast execution, perfect for our trading strategies. I think the broker is great. So make sure you join up with us. Make sure you follow us on X. And remember, always, always, always trade with your head not over it. Do your own research. And remember, as a short-term trader, enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.